This video represented by Educationtechera, and we are going to talk inside this video about the understanding human communication here. Human beings are the social animals. They indulge in exchanging ideas or sharing information with one another. This occurs either by talking or speaking, which is a two-way process that sometimes explain it without words. However, if we go back to the history of the mankind, it is the found that early men didn't know how to speak. The development of the words and languages as used today were developed much later. The early men shared their experiences and feelings without any uses of any words. Their mode of communication was their facial expression and uses of body parts, such as the hands, conveying their feelings and opinion with others. Gradually, the language was developed and people started using words to communicate or speak to each other and convey their feelings. They started using alphabets and started writing, which in turn provided powerful tool to convey through ideas and feeling. That's all in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.